Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vahnika. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show 4 DIYs which you can easily make at home. For the first DIY, I'm using this birdhouse and gesso. Birdhouse you can find in any craft store, and gesso I bought this from Itsy Bitsy. All the products which I have used here, I'm gonna give all the links in the description box below. Gesso is a primer, it gives a nice textured paste to the wooden panel. So if you don't have gesso, no problem, you can use white acrylic paint. I'm taking gesso with the flat brush and I'm applying all over the birdhouse. And for the top wooden panels, I'm taking this maroon kind of color chalk paint, and this is also from Itsy Bitsy. And we need to apply 2 coats of this chalk paint. First coat I am applying with flat brush, and second coat I'm gonna apply with sponge, so brush marks will not be visible. And for the remaining part of the birdhouse, I'm using this blue vibrant color chalk paint. Let it dry for half an hour and let's start with the design. I'm taking gesso, you can take white acrylic paint as well, and I'm keeping small white dots all over the house. A cute little birdhouse is ready. You can use this in balcony or in showcase. For the second DIY paper succulent, I'm taking a color paper and I'm drawing a circle. I don't have a compass, so if you have compass then that would be great. And I'm drawing a circle with my hand and I'm just cutting the circle, giving 1-inch gap. After cutting the circles, we need to make small marks up to the point which we have drawn. After cutting up to the mark, just press them inside. Now take a paper of same color, no need to take proper measurements, just take the paper which is approximately covering the circle. And with the help of glue, attach that paper to the circle as I am showing in the video. Again, take the same size of paper and attach on the top of the first layer so that it would be very standard. Now take another paper and draw and cut the paper in that shape which I am showing in the video. Now we need to trace the paper in green color. You can use any green color. I have a lighter green color paper, so I am using that. We have our 10 pieces ready. Now stick them together as I am showing in the video. Our paper cactus is ready. Now just stick the paper cactus to the base which we have prepared in orange color. Now take a small piece of paper of red or pink color and fold it into 4 times as I am showing in the video. Make a corner cut in a triangle. Now open the paper. You will get a flower shape. With the help of scissor, curve the corners. Now stick this to the cactus which we have made. Now our beautiful paper moon cactus is ready. So we have some leftover papers. I'm just crushing them and putting them on the base so it will look like stones. For the next DIY, I'm taking one paper cup and cutting till the edge all over the cup. Now press the base of paper cup down and I'm attaching jute rope with the help of plaster. Now rotate the jute rope all over the cup upside down as I'm showing in the video. When we come to the end of the cup, we'll form a nice round shaped one. So attach the end of the jute rope with the help of glue and cut the top side of the paper cup. To make it even more beautiful, I'm adding a lace on the top side of the flower vase. You can use any lace which is available with you. So our beautiful jute rope flower vase is ready. And I had some artificial flowers, so I am keeping some artificial flowers in the flower vase. If you have any flowers like paper flowers, artificial flowers, you can keep in the flower vase and keep it as a showcase piece. For the next DIY, again I am taking paper cup and I am taking some bamboo sticks. I bought these bamboo sticks from Amazon. I will give the link in the description box below in case if you wanna buy. With the help of silicone glue, I am sticking those bamboo sticks to the paper cup. If you don't have silicone glue, you can use normal glue or Fevikwik. And cut the top of the paper cup so that it will give a natural look to the flower vase. I forgot to cut in the beginning itself, so if you are making this, make sure to cut the top out in the beginning itself. So finally I'm done with sticking of bamboo sticks to the paper cup. So I'm keeping some paper flowers in the bamboo sticks flower vase. In case if you want tutorial of paper flowers, do let me know in the comment section video. I will make a video on that. So that's it for today video guys. Do let me know in the comment section below which is your favorite DIY from this video, and don't forget to click on that subscribe button. I'll be coming with more DIY videos. Bye bye.